teka, sandali lamang po. Katatapos ko lang makausap si Miss Dana sa telepono at klinaro po niya na walang attempt na lumabas pa ng bansa si Congressman Martin Romualdez at wala pa rin po daw naman na record ng exit as per Dana. Kakababa lang niya po ng aming pag-uusap sa telepono at she backed up muna to be on air, but she confirmed na wala po as far as Bureau of Immigration is concerned, from the spokesperson of Bureau of Immigration, wala pong record ng paglabas po ng bansa si Congressman Martin Romualdez at any attempt ay wala rin po ayon kay Dana Sandoval, ng tagapagsalita ng Bureau of Immigration in our exclusive interview kay Miss Dana Sandoval, Kuya Don. Alright?